Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking to travel in style with some really durable and beautiful luggage, check out this three-piece set from WireHot. I'm really in love with the great quality of this set. Not only is it really pretty in this off-white and apricot color, but it is really durable and so functional. The set comes with basically the three bears of luggage. It has the large size, the medium, and the small size, which is great for a carry-on bag. The large and medium both expand, so you can fit a ton of things inside this luggage. I'm really impressed with how much that I could pack even in the smaller bag, which enabled me to be able to travel with just that smaller bag. The luggage was so easy to wheel around, and it has not only the handle, which is really secure feeling, but those nice quiet wheels so you can roll this suitcase around with no problem. I'm also really impressed with the zipper as well as the lock on this luggage. The zipper feels like it's good quality, making me feel like my luggage will stay nice and safe even when checked on a plane. If you're looking to travel in style, check out this awesome set. It's so great that it comes in three pieces, so everything coordinates and it makes for a really fun trip. But that's just my point of view.